Hey there, this is Matthew with ClickSure.com. Thanks for joining us. We're going to continue our series on ClickMagick, the all-in-one click tracking and optimization solution for any kind of online business. And today, I'm going to show you how to build a retargeting list using ClickMagick affiliate tracking links. Let's get started.
Retargeting visitors to your website is an incredibly powerful way to increase the ROI of your ad spend. You've already spent money attracting your visitors in the first place, and if they leave without taking your desired action on the page, they are normally lost for good. Money and time wasted. With retargeting, though, you can follow them around the web and take advantage of other chances to market to them. In the past, you would need to be able to place a retargeting pixel on the website pages you wished to retarget. If you didn't happen to control those pages, an affiliate promotional offer, let's say, you were out of luck. Not anymore. With ClickMagick, you can add any kind of third-party retargeting pixel, that is from Facebook, Google, Perfect Audience, Adderall, and others, to any tracking link you create. It doesn't matter if the link tracks to a third-party affiliate page or another website that you don't control. You will be able to retarget all your visitors and show them additional ads for your offers. It's super easy to make use of this feature in ClickMagick. Once you create a normal tracking link, just click on the Edit option and select the Pixel tab. Next, paste your desired retargeting pixel code in the available field and click on Save Changes, and you're all set. From then on, you'll be able to retarget any visitor who clicks on your link. Retargeting ads are some of the most cost-effective and powerful advertising you run. This is yet one more ROI boosting feature of ClickMagick that sets it apart from some of the other click tracking and optimizing solutions available in the marketplace. Want to take ClickMagick out for a spin? Just click on the link in the description below to get a 14-day free trial. You'll be able to explore every powerful feature and see for yourself just how easy it is to start tracking and optimizing your online business. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying these videos, be sure to subscribe to this channel.